Hi everyone, welcome to TYG Trading. This time I will share about how to trade with Stochastic. Stochastic is an oscillator, that means the primary usage of it is showing overbought and oversold area. Stochastic has two lines, main line, the blue one, and signal line, the red one. I won't explain the formula behind Stochastic here, we only talk about how to use it. There are many ways to use Stochastic. For this time, we will use the simplest one, which is Stochastic line crossover. The rules are: we do long when main line cross over signal line below 20. We do short when main line cross below signal line above 80. Simple, right? Let's now we prepare the code. Right now, I have finished the code. I need to verify it before I running a backtest. Let us run it for 1 month. As we can see, the EA is working perfectly. EA will open position based on our defined rule. When there were line cross below 20, EA will open long position. When there were line cross above 80, EA will open short position. This is the time we will run it for 1 year. This is what I call as building trading stats. It is very helpful to speed up our venture in forex trading. To be a successful trader, we have to run all of these to our trading instrument. As a beginner in trading with indicator, the best way to learn an indicator is by using them in different time frame. From here, we can learn how an indicator will behave. I usually will run it in 5-minute chart, 15 minutes, 30 minutes, 1 hour, 4 hour, and finally daily chart. After I have the result, I will analyze its performance and finally optimize them. Based on my experience, most indicators can be optimized. The problem is only on how big is the profit. Okay, we have done the back testing now. Let's analyze the result. On daily chart, standard Stochastic doesn't perform well as seen on backtesting result. The total net profit is negative. Stochastic is also failed to tell overbought and oversold area. The candle moves too fast, cannot be followed by Stochastic. But We can see stochastic can follow global trend. From here, we can conclude stochastic can read trend for EURUSD on daily chart. As now, we use single entry with fixed pips, 25 pips for target and stop loss. It is obvious that 25 pips for target and stop loss aren't enough. We need bigger number for target and stop loss on daily chart. Since it can still follow global trend, stochastic can be used for swing trader. On EURUSD for our charts, standard stochastic is also not performed well. But we can see here 25 pips. 25 pips difference can be used for target. We can see stochastic can be used for entry signal. The problem is during trending, it will take position against global trend. One hour chart on EURUSD stochastic is starting to get interested. The profit factor is getting close to 4-hour chart. It is 0.89 compared to previous result 0.9 something. We need to verify the result with longer time frame, but we don't do that for now. What I see, stochastic can have a good position in between price correction. As you can see, the position is very strategic. When we can trade follow by trend, the result will probably better. 25 pips is look good for target and stop loss level. On 30-minute chart, stochastic has similar result to 1-hour chart. The profit factor is close to 1-hour chart and 4-hour chart. The problem is the same. We need to detect trend before we use stochastic. Otherwise, stochastic will tell us to open position during price reversal. On 15-minute chart, the result is also similar to 1-hour chart and 30-minute chart. The problem is also still the same. We need to detect trend before open any position using stochastic. The profit factor here is also similar, around 0.97. Finally, on 5-minute chart, we have the similar result to higher time frame. So we can temporarily conclude how to use stochastic in EURUSD. Stochastic with 25 pips target can be workable on 5-minute chart, 15 minutes, 30 minutes, and 1-hour chart. But we need to detect trend before applying stochastic in our trading. Stochastic should be safe to use in EURUSD from backtesting by using 0.01 lot. We only lost 40 to 80 USD during 1 year backtesting. When we have a good mechanism to filter the bad trades, the statistic will be improved. That's all for today. We will continue next time. We try to optimize stochastic in EURUSD. BYG out. If you enjoy my contents, feel free to subscribe and a like will be very much appreciated as well. You may also leave questions in the comment section. I will try my best to answer honestly.